this has all-wheel disc brakes, which is more than enough for the stopping, but does not look good. So we are about to change those looks, and we are going to transform those cheap plastic calipers into good-looking calipers. Let's do it. Okay, those cheap Lambo plastic cover or any plastic cover you want, the design you like, you can get them cheap from eBay or AliExpress or any source of your liking. You can use any grinder, and just it will take more time, and be careful with the electric grinder. Do it in stages. When you have enough material grounded down with the grinder, then just use the manual grinding tool. Confirm that you will not overdo it. Just keep grinding and feel with your finger. You can use sanding paper for that, for the fine grinding. Still I can feel some of the letters. Now these are ready, and I cannot feel them, and these are ready. And next I will be doing some wet sand painting. Meanwhile, you apply them to the brakes and see where they are touching, and just use any plass or the cutter plass to cut the extra plastic which is just touching. And be careful, it's very delicate. If you overdo it, then you will crack it. I also grinded the inside where it was touching the caliper, and now I am removing the extra these screws and the fittings. I think they will look more good without them. In the rear, we also don't need to paint the whole caliper, just these areas and slight area behind. Here I will clean, and because this is not visible, because rear tire will not be steering, so all the time there will be tire. This area won't be visible to other people. So I will less emphasize on this area and more over this area. Again, first see which areas you need more attention, like these areas, okay, and slightly area back, this one. This is very nice. We let it dry, and meanwhile I cover up the rear wheel. First coat should be light coat. Now we will touch up in the front. Just slightly dry. Now brake calipers are painted, but the rest of the rotor looks slightly rusted, so I am using the black Rustolium to just touch up a little, so that that rusty look is gone, and because that red and black contrast will look nice, so a few 1 to 2 coats are enough. Okay, now my plan was to put a sticker on them and then paint them red, and then when I remove the stickers, the letters of the under will be visible, but that led into the disaster, as you will see. Next day, let's pull out the paper and see. Next we will be using some decals, and I have covered the rest of the area so that black paper won't spread. Do the second coat. Okay, time to unwrap these. I'm not satisfied with the finish. The margins are not good. This is after all the sticker have been removed. The finish is not so good, as you can see the margin. This is the paint job. Okay, I think I will go with the stickers. I will prepare the stickers and paste them and then again update. Okay, I will remove most of it with this one. After removing the paint, I will now again, as I mentioned, the paint was not a good idea, so I went to the decal shop and have them made some decal of it and little Hondas, and here are the results. Okay, I think they look dope. These are the front calipers and these are the back ones. Okay, and now it's time for some gloss so that they are protected from the dirt and all that. I can use this or that. Okay guys, today is the day we're gonna fit these and these are looking dope. Okay guys, there's not much light here, so I have head mounted light. Let's see. Now I have seen some people drilling here and then fixing them with screws. The problem with that, I think, is that that will create a stress point over in these rotors and maybe they can fail. Okay, so for the peace of mind, we will use the glue, super glue, to mount these. Okay, now let's see which point are touching. Quickly see this point, this and the back. So these points are touching, so I will apply maximum glue to this point. Okay, let's see which glue options we have. This is the famous JB Weld. This will be super solid, and then my favorite Honda Bond HT. This is withstands very much heat and it also is flexible. Okay, then there are locally made these ones. I have tested them and they are good. I know this is hassle from drilling, but at least I will have the peace of mind that my rotor will, and the caliper will not break. Okay, so let's know. Okay, all the taping is done, but I found that as these are plastic, their weight is so less. I just take the glue, and this is without drying. Okay, so you might not need to fix it with the tape. Okay, especially the rear ones. Okay friend, it's time to remove the taping slowly. Guys, check this out, how beautiful that looks. Okay, here. Okay, now I'll put the tire over there. Car is lifted, so it will not look so beautiful right now. Rims are slightly dirty. The project is complete. I've taken the pictures, look how good they look. They doesn't seem out of proportion, well balanced. Just my rims are a little smaller, 16 inches. I think on the 17 it will look more beautiful. Okay, let's check on the rear side. Also nice. The barracks muffler, that's why it is not sounding so loud, because the butterfly valve is closed right now.